yung sinasabi ko. So yun lang, mami. God bless, take care. Don't forget to subscribe. Joke lang. Wag mong kakalimutan yung mga binibilin ko sa'yo. Yun lang. Saka yun, still mag-aantay ako sa'yo while I'm building my while I'm establishing myself or building my dreams or creating my opportunity in different kind of aspects or what you call this, different fields in life. So while waiting, I'll keep busy on what I'm doing, like kahit ano, basta may papasok na pera. Yun. So yun, just always remember, God loves you and I love you too. And yeah, read the Bible and always pray. God bless. Love you. Mama chup chup. I love you din kay baby kahit hindi ako yung tatay niyan. Thank you kahit papano na feel ko na nagkaroon ako ng anak. Yun lamang. Bye. God bless.